All right, I'm gonna make some chicken bacon ranch pasta salad. This was one of y'all's top votes from this past week, so we gotta make it. We start with 12 ounces of rotini tricolor. And we're gonna add in 1 large chopped tomato. And the main ingredients, chicken. Got 2 chicken breasts that I cut up. And 16 ounces of bacon. Going heavy on the bacon in this, because that's what I like. I cooked it and chopped it up myself because I just like freshly cooked bacon rather than the pre-cooked stuff. But if you don't have time, get some pre-cooked. And then we have 5 ounces of sliced olives. If you don't like olives, just leave that part out. I know some people aren't into them, like my wife. And then we have 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese that we're gonna throw in there. Okay, once we have all these dry ingredients, let's go ahead and get that kind of mixed together a little bit. All right, now that we have that, we're gonna come over here and make our dressing. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of mayonnaise. I use Duke's mayonnaise because that's what I was raised on. That's what my Mima raised me to eat, and that's what we do in our house. What mayonnaise do y'all do? I'm from South Carolina, and Duke's is like a big thing. So we live on Duke's down there. So we got our 1 cup of mayonnaise. We're gonna put some pepper in there. And some garlic powder. I like it pretty garlicky. And we're gonna put in 3 tablespoons worth of ranch dry seasoning. So go ahead and get that kind of mixed together. And then we're gonna throw in 1/2 cup of milk in as well. And you want to get that mixed together. If it helps, get you a whisk. Kind of whisk it around for a minute. And then once you have that nice and whisked together and smooth, we're going to pour it back into our dry ingredients. All right. So just go ahead and pour that on in there. Take your spatula so you don't waste any of this good stuff. In case you make this and it's feeling like a little dry with the amount of ingredients you have, you can always just add a little bit more milk in. So just keep that in mind if you want to try this at home. So once you have the dressing in there, go ahead and just get it nice and mixed in. So got that wetness touching all the parts of it. All right, y'all, now that we have that mixed together, we're gonna actually put it in the fridge for 1 hour, and then we'll come back and try it. So you wanna, after you make it, put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour, cover it up, and then we'll go back and try it. All right, now that you've had it in there for 1 hour or more, it's time to try it. Perfect side. Make sure I get a little chicken and ranch and bacon, the whole thing. Why am I blowing on? I'm so used to, I cook so much, I'm used to blowing on food. I don't have to blow on this one. Y'all, this is amazing. All right, my mouth's full. Great side dish. If you're looking for a side dish idea for a get together for Thanksgiving, Christmas, try it.